to Priya's Inspirations. Today I have come up with a good topic called internal motivation. So I know it's a lockdown period, we are all disappointed, we will be having many dreams in our mind which wouldn't happen this period. But I'm sure the story which I'm going to tell you will stir up your mind and stir up your hearts. I'm sure you'll be internally motivated, because every time we'll be motivated by our parents to do this, that and all, but sometimes that motivation works for a while, but it never works for a long time. But the internal motivation, whichever we feel internally to do something, that to make it happen, I'm sure this will work out. So let me tell you a story of a small boy today. And there used to be a small boy in a town, and every day he used to go along with his dad to practice a soccer game. And this coach, whoever's or helping the particular players to play, practice the soccer game, he used to observe this boy every day. He used to join in the soccer game to practice. But this boy did not play well. So one day the finals came, the competition started in the school. So the small boy went to the coach and asked the coach, "Coach, please allow me to play," because this boy's name was not in the players list. This boy's name is in the extra players list. But this boy felt so down, and he went to the coach and he was begging, he was pleading the coach, "Coach, please let me play." And this coach did not agree. He said, "I'm sorry, I couldn't allow you to play because the school reputation is at stake. I cannot let you play because you're not a good player." But this boy was again started pleading the coach, asking, "Coach, please let me play." So finally he felt a bit concerned about this boy, and he allowed this boy to play. This boy started playing the soccer game, and trust me, he started playing like a house on fire. This coach, when he started this watching the game of this boy, and he was so surprised and he was so much confused. Why did I do this? Why I did do this like this boy? And why I made such a wrong decision? And because his impression was wrong, and this boy is playing like a house on fire. He was so confused, went to the boy and asked, "My dear boy, please come here." So he just went to the coach. He said, "Thank you so much for allowing me to play." This coach asked, "And you never used to play well, and what made you to play today? You played like a house on fire." So this boy said, "Yes, coach, I have something to tell you." "Yeah, please go ahead. What made you to play so well today?" And he said, "You used to see my father every day come along with me for the practice, right?" "Of course, yes," this coach said. "So where is your dad?" And he started searching here and there, but there was no dad. He said, "Where is your dad? He did not come along with you to watch this game?" He said, "No." "What happened to your dad?" And finally, with a great pain, this boy said, "Coach, my dad was expired 3 days back, and he was a blind man. So when he used to come along with me for a practice, he's not, he's unable to watch my game. And now my dad was expired 3 days back, and as a blind man, I'm sure, I hope that and my dad is watching me from above." And see what a great story. And because he's internally motivated himself, stating that my dad is watching me from above, so I need to make my dad happy so that he feels happy in the heaven. I'm sure he will watch my game from heaven. So this is the story today that which I wanted to tell you. So I don't know whom I'm speaking to today, but let me tell you something. If you are just going through any kind of a pain or a depression or a disappointment regarding your job or regarding your career or whatever it is, I'm sure if you are just going through a pain, there is something success, the step of the success is waiting for you. You can see this boy, he just only with the internal motivation, that his father is going to watch his game the particular day, he started playing well. So my dear friends, please have an internal motivation. Don't every time get motivated by others or by your parents, or no. I'm sure that your personal experience, when you have an internal motivation, I'm sure that internal motivation will get you good success in your life. Thank you so much.